Hi everyone, welcome back to English in 5 minutes. I'm Jane, and today we are diving into a milestone that we all experience at some point in our careers, and one that always brings a mix of excitement and butterflies, the first day at a new work. Walking into a brand new office, meeting your manager, and seeing so many unfamiliar faces can feel a little overwhelming, especially if you have to communicate in English. But don't worry at all. In just 5 minutes, I am going to teach you the most useful, simple, and natural phrases to introduce yourself, make small talk with your new colleagues, and handle your first day at the office with total confidence. Put on your professional smile, and let's step into our new workplace together. Your very first mission when you arrive at the office is introducing yourself to the team. You want to sound friendly, polite, and approachable, but you definitely don't need to overcomplicate your sentences. When your manager introduces you to the room, a perfect and standard phrase to use is, "Hi everyone, I'm Jane. I'm really excited to join the team as the new marketing specialist." This immediately tells everyone your name, your role, and your positive energy. Right after that, your new coworkers will smile and reply with common welcoming phrases like, "Welcome aboard," or "It's great to have you here." To respond naturally, you can simply smile back and say, "Thank you so much, I'm looking forward to working with you all." Once the official introductions are finished, you will be guided to your new desk to set up your computer. On your first day, it is completely normal to have a lot of questions about how things work around the office, and asking for help is a fantastic way to connect with your nearby colleagues. To interrupt someone politely without being rude, always start your sentence with, "Excuse me, sorry to bother you, but..." Then, you can ask your question using a soft, polite structure like, "Could you show me how to log into the system, or do you mind telling me where the printer is?" Coworkers are almost always happy to help a newcomer, and using "sorry to bother you" shows that you highly respect their time and busy schedule. As the morning flies by, lunch break will arrive, which is the absolute best time to bond with your team and practice casual, everyday English outside of official work topics. When a colleague invites you to join them by saying, "Hey, we're heading out for lunch, do you want to come along?" always say yes if you can. At the lunch table, you can transition into light small talk by asking simple questions to get to know them better. Good examples include, "How long have you been working here?" or "What department do you work in?" If they ask you how your first morning is going, you can answer smoothly with, "It's going great. Everyone has been so welcoming and helpful." Finally, as the clock strikes 5 p.m. and your first day comes to a successful end, it is time to pack up your things and head home. Before you leave, making a polite exit will leave a lasting, positive impression on your team. As you walk toward the door, you can catch your manager's or colleague's eyes, smile, and say, "Thank you for all your help today, I really appreciate it." To finish up, you can wave and say a casual, warm phrase like, "See you all tomorrow, have a great evening." Just like that, you have completed your very first day at work smoothly, professionally, and entirely in perfect English. See? Surviving and thriving on your first day of work in English is incredibly simple when you break it down into these easy steps and structures. Let's do a very quick recap of our essential phrases today. Use "I'm excited to join the team" for introductions, "Sorry to bother you, but..." when asking for help, and "Have a great evening" when leaving the office. Now, it's your turn to practice and build your workplace confidence. What was your very first job? Let me know in the comments below using one of the structures we practiced today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English in 5 minutes for more quick, practical career lessons. Thanks for watching, good luck at your job, and I'll see you next time.